In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email opens in Aweber. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Aweber. This is the quickest way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. Look for the authentic result that clearly identifies the company and its secure domain. Taking a second to confirm you're on the legitimate website helps protect your account and ensures you land in the right place without distractions. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. You'll find this near the top of the page on desktop. Enter your credentials and complete any verification prompts if they appear. Logging in securely sets you up to access your campaigns and reporting without any hiccups. If you manage multiple lists, don't worry. Your dashboard will make it clear which one you're viewing, and you can switch as needed after you're in. From the dashboard, head to Messages. This is the central hub for all your email content. Within Messages, choose Broadcasts. Broadcasts are your one-time sends, like newsletters and announcements, and this is where you'll find the performance details for emails that have already gone out. You'll typically see tabs or indicators for drafts, scheduled emails, and those that have been sent. The sent messages are what we need for open tracking. Now find the email you want to analyze and click on its subject line to open the Quick Stats page. Quick Stats is where Aweber summarizes your campaign's performance. Here you'll see a clear view of how many recipients opened your email, often broken out as total opens and unique opens. Total opens count every time a message is opened, even by the same person more than once. Unique opens count each person just once, which is usually the best snapshot of reach. You may also notice related figures like delivery numbers and click activity, which provide context for how engaging your content was beyond the open itself. Keep in mind that open tracking relies on a small image loading in the recipient's email client. Some privacy features and image blockers can affect these numbers, so it's normal to see slight variations. Pairing open rates with click data can give a more complete picture of engagement. That's it. By searching for Aweber, signing in, navigating to Messages and Broadcasts, and opening the Quick Stats page from your email subject line, you can quickly see how many people opened your message. Use these insights to compare subject lines, optimize send times, and refine your content going forward.